SEMrush is a powerful all-in-one digital marketing tool that helps businesses and marketers improve their online visibility through SEO, content marketing, social media, and competitive research. Here's how to effectively use SEMrush. Creating an account. Visit semrush.com and sign up for a free or paid account, depending on your needs. Paid plans provide more in-depth features. Performing site audits. Use a site audit tool to scan your website for SEO issues, technical errors, broken links, slow loading times, and other problems. This helps improve website performance and visibility. Keyword research. Utilize SEMrush's keyword research tool to discover relevant keywords for your website or content. Analyze keyword difficulty, search volume, and traffic potential to create effective SEO strategies. Competitor analysis. Analyze competitors using the competitor analysis tool. Understand their strategies, backlinks, content, and organic performance to gain insights for your own marketing efforts. Content marketing. With SEMrush's content marketing platform, create high-quality content. Find trending topics, optimize content for SEO, and track performance using tools like content audits and performance analytics. Backlink analysis. Use the backlink analytics tool to monitor your website's backlinks and understand your domain authority. Discover new linking opportunities to build a stronger backlink profile. Social media management. SEMrush provides insights into social media performance, tracking engagement and audience growth across platforms. Plan and analyze social media campaigns to boost brand visibility. Pay-per-click advertising. Analyze competitors' ad strategies with SEMrush's PPC tools, helping you create more effective paid campaigns on Google Ads, Facebook, and other platforms.